morning, Miss Ganon and Mr. Balaba. I hope you had a pleasant stay with us. Are you ready to check out?
Good morning, Miss Sase. Yes, we had a lovely stay. We're ready to check out now.
Wonderful. May I have your room key card, please?
Here you go.
Thank you very much. Let me just pull up your bill. This ma'am. Your total bill is 12,000 pesos. After deducting the 2,000 pesos for your advance deposit, the remaining balance is 10,000 pesos.
This looks correct.
Everything is as expected.
Great. If you're ready to settle your bill, Mr. Barrientos will assist you.
Thank you.
Good morning, Ms. Ganon and Mr. Balaba. How would you like to pay?
We'll use a credit card, please.
Okay, sir. You will pay for a total of 10,000 pesos, is that correct?
Yes.
Kindly put your PIN and confirm the payment. Okay, sir. Thank you. So, here's your receipt, sir. Kindly sign here.
Thank you.
Sir, here's your copy and here's your card, sir. Thank you, and we hope to see you again soon. Our porter here will assist you with your luggage. Thank you.
Good morning, Mr. Balaba and Ms. Gana. May I assist your luggage to your car?
That would be great. Thank you.
Thank you for staying with us and safe travels.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Good morning, Mr. Magana. I hope you had a pleasant stay with us. Are you ready to check out?
Good morning, Mr. Adelaide. Yes, I'm ready to check out now.
Wonderful. May I please have your room key card?
Oh, the pay card. Here's the pay card.
Thank you very much. Let me just bring up to your room. Your total bill is 15,000 pesos. After deducting your 5,000 advance deposit, the remaining balance is 10,000 pesos.
Excuse me, I think there's some mistake in my receipt. There's an additional charges of 5,000 pesos from the spa for food, and it was added in my bill during my stay. I don't believe and even remember that I made that purchase.
Let me see that for you, sir. You're right, Mr. Magana. I see the 5,000 pesos for food charge. Here is not yours. I apologize for the inconvenience. Let me get our duty manager to assist you with correcting this.
I appreciate that. Thank you.
Please give them a moment, sir. So, please have a seat while you are waiting.
Well, good morning, Mr. Rebel. What's the problem here?
Good morning, Mr. There's a mistake in
So, I'll be just reviewing this.
Mr. Magana, our duty manager is here. He wants to talk with you.
Alright, good morning, Mr. Magata. I'm Mr. Duma, the duty manager. I do really understand that you do have a problem with regards to your bill. So, would you mind elaborating so that I can fully understand your concern?
Yes, Mr. Duma, I noticed that there's an additional charge of 5,000 pesos during my receipt, but I didn't make any for GC of the services. Just look into the receipt that will justify that.
Alright, so let me just check this one for you, sir. So give me please a few moments to review this bill. Thank you. I see here, Mr. Magaga, so I do sincerely apologize for the inconvenience that you face. For this one, I can see the charge that you were referring to. With regards to this, thank you for bringing up this to our attention. It appears that the charge was applied in error. Let me prepare a correction form and we'll remove it, the charge for your final bill.
That will be great.
Alright, thank you. So let me just process this one for you, sir. Sir, just wait for a while. Thank you. Alright, so with regards to this one, here is the corrected form which outlines the adjusted that we made. Please kindly review this, and once you were satisfied, kindly sign it out at the bottom so that we can make the process and make the changes immediately.
Everything seems in order.
Alright, so with regards to this one, sir, I do sincerely thank you for your understanding. Mr. Magada will take care of your adjustment right away. Here's your updated bill with the 5,000 less or removed, and for your new total balance due as of now is 5,000 pesos. Is that correct?
Yes, thank you very much for your attention to this, and I really appreciate your quick response in this kind of problem. Thank you again, Mr.
No problem. Our porter can assist you after you make the payment was made. Thank you.
Good morning, Mr. Magala. May I assist you with your luggage to your car or taxi?
Okay, Mr. Bigana again.
It was a pleasure to assist you, Mr. Legenda. We hope to welcome you back soon.
Thank you. Have a